installation of the cabinets, I have a range hood that I purchased from Home Depot. I'm going to pass through this hole right there in the back at the top. This hood will fit there. Alright, so I measured how far over to go, and coincidentally there's a 2x4 right here, so I drilled just on the side of it, and I'm coming off these lights here. This is an exterior wall, so that presents a little bit of a challenge, because if you go from the back of the box, you got your plastic in there, and it's just, you're not going to get, you're going to go behind the plastic, and then the electrical, it gets lost. So what I did is I drilled a hole right here. See if you can see that. You can see that hole. And I passed that, I made sure I was in front of the plastic, so between the plasterboard and the plastic. And then I just fished this cord up. I didn't even use a fish tape. I just straightened the wire and I ran it up till I saw it in the hole here. Grabbed it with a needle nose, pulled it out, and I'm good. So now is the time to start wiring, right? So first thing I'm going to do is clean this up, cut this off, tie the neutral together, tie the black hot in, which is actually I think the bottom, but I'm not positive. I have to figure that out. One of the issues I have with the hood, I don't know why they do this. I just want to put them into here. I want to screw it into this board here and this board here on the two sides. The openings for the hood are 1 inch, 1.5 inches in from the edge and 1 inch from the back, and to this it's even farther. So these openings just, they don't line up with the board that's on the cabinets. I have no idea why they do it this way. These are brand new cabinets. It's a brand new hood. You would think they'd make the hood, these hole spacings, so that they actually work, but they don't. So I'm going to end up just putting a screw like right here. I'm going to pre-drill a hole there and pre-drill a hole here, right on the edge, and put the screws through and do the same thing over here. That way I don't have to, the other thing I would have to do is mount a board to the bottom of that cabinet, and I really don't want to mount a board to the bottom of the cabinet and deal with all that. So this will work. Once it's attached, you never see it anymore. Ooh.
Did it fall?
Something fell.
Was it my
I'm okay though, don't worry. Bye-bye.